Bata pa, hindi pa financially capable, pero kami mga partners na ganyan. So I can answer you exactly how these guys do it. Sila, mayaman itong mga to. They just don't have the money right now, but they have it in their head. They have the right mindset. That's what makes them rich. So what they do is, they know the potential of the business and naghahanap sila ng mga kakilala nila who have the finances. They will join them and support them in the business para mapasok nila. That's the best way to move forward. So for the young people, you should study, pag-aralan nyo ito, kasi it has a very good potential financially sa environment and for generational wealth. So pag-aralan nyo yung business, and just like the other partners we have who are young, you also get other people to help you financially. So kung gusto mo matutunan tong negosyo na ito, you just have to have the right mindset. That's all we're asking from you. Just have the right mindset. Join us in our webinar this coming Thursday, and we message us sa Facebook. That's where we'll give you the links to the webinar, and matututunan mo ito doon.